Guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 4th, 2023. Already told you earlier that we have no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper of Monday, July the 3rd. Yeah, July the 3rd. And I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. Well, it's actually a 0 stars because it has 30 printed digits. Yeah, 30 printed digits. And so one puzzle is left, the Tectonic with 1 star. And this one will be number 6701. Yeah, 6701. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 19, twice as much. And it's indicated with 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only 1 single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? A couple of dual boxes here. Here 1, there 1, and here also 1. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already given, so this box should be a 1 then. Here also contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already given, so this box should be a 1. And here I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. Wow. Quadra boxes contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4 then. Here we have a quadra box. The 1 is given and the 4 is given, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Alright. Do we have more quadra boxes here? No quadra boxes. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Yeah, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. The L shape, yeah. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No L shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here, alright. So this box has the same name as that box. Okay. Then the following shape, we have only one of this kind of shape. This shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum was 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 and 2 in this area could be here or there. Here or there. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes all the way to 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2, 1, 2, yes. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. 4 and 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 it goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. Those 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Okay. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Then let me see. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1, should be a 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5, yes, definitely 2. This box gave me a 4, that box gave me a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. This box. Oh wait, we have a 2 here. And I've marked those 2 boxes, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there, finishing in 11 minutes. Well, we solved it again. I like this one, yes I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow on a Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.